Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared there, or every part of the strategies shared there. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. It is an amazing custom made indicator that helps us to know the direction of the markets right from the beginning. It also helps us, it gives us information on the entry point and the exit point, and that is one beautiful thing about it. Okay, so right from this support zone, it gave us an uptrend. That is why you are seeing this yellow flag. So it started buying until it got to this resistance zone. It has been playing around this resistance zone because it's trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone in order for it to continue with the buy trend, but it has not been able to break out from there. And of course, it has also not been able to go back on downtrend. So it has been playing with this within this region and this particular region. Okay, so right now we can say it is still more of a buying opportunity because it is still fully on uptrend, and except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, that is when it will make an attempt to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to start selling. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. In case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will start selling. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It had been on downtrend for a while, then played around there for a while, but right now, since it's unable to break out below this support zone, it started an uptrend and it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. From this support zone, it started an uptrend, and you can see it buying and buying because of this yellow flag and the blue arrows. It shows that the market is on uptrend, and it gave us so many buying signals. And of course, this has been buying since then. It got to this resistance and it has not been able to break out above it. If it's unable to break out above it, then we are most likely to start seeing a downtrend from here, but we need the necessary signals before we can say it is going into a downtrend fully. So we need the trend signal, which is going to be the red flag, and of course we also need the red arrow as the entry point signal. Okay, so we expect that to sell if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, but wait for all the necessary signals. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend for a while, but got to this support zone. It has not been able to go beyond that or below that. Okay, and of course it gave us an uptrend signal, which signifies that it will be buying for a while, and of course we've gotten a buy signal, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from there. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone at the pullback by buying for a while before going back there to see if it will break out below this support zone. And of course, it is at that point again, if it's unable to break out below it, to go back on buy trend. But for now, this is still selling. Okay, this might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below the support zone, but if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on buying. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.